Hi guys and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today we will see how you can create a zip file of any folder that you have on your Mac computer. So this is very simple. It's a very easy to create a zip file of any folder that you have in your machine, in your Apple device. So here you can see, for an example, I have a folder on my device, on my desktop screen, that's called IEL TS, right? So in order to, once I open this folder, I have different files in the folder, but I want to create a zip file so that I can easily transfer this file. I can transfer to any other device or send it to someone. Like the you can use this folder as a file when you convert into the zip file. So in order to create a zip file for this folder, just simply make a right click and then you can see an option coming up, compress IELTS. So click on this compress option and you can see it's very simply created the zip file for this particular folder. Now what is the use, like why we are converting a folder to a file? Just because, let's say if I want to send a email to someone, and if I want to send this complete folder to someone, uh, you know uh, just to make sure that they are getting everything, so I cannot send this complete folder. I will have to open this and I will have to attach all of these files which it has in this folder one by one. Then only I can send it to someone. But if I am converting this folder to a zip file, I can attach only this zip file to the email and I can send it to someone, and that will be a very easy way to send. So just to save the time and efforts, we are just we are storing a whole lot of the the collection of the files into a single one. This is the purpose of basically why we do convert a folder into the zip file. So that's all guys in this tutorial. If you still have any, I believe I have cleared everything, but if you still have any query, please write in the comment area and I will be there to answer. Thank you.